In this video I'm going to show you how to make a PDF on iPhone. So I'm just convert my photo to make it PDF. So simply just open photo gallery and you just select any photo, press on to select this photo, press on to share option, and first just move your photo gallery to your file apps, save to file, select any location, go to download folder and I'm create new folder, to new folder, make for PDF, press on right mark and press on to save. Now successfully move this photo, my photo gallery, to file apps. Just open file apps. Okay. Okay. Press on three dot to select, three dot, quick action, and finally I'm get create PDF. Now successfully create this PDF. Let's open. As you can see now this photo to make it PDF. That's it.